What's good, boys? Obviously, I'm in my office. We had to move my computer and stuff out of the basement when we had the new baby. I want to learn how to drift. So I've seen a couple of people be like, "Oh, why don't you drift the F30? You got the drift stance, whatever." Well, that car is all-wheel drive. It was all-wheel drive. I don't know if it's included in any of my videos. Like I said, the original F30 video got completely fucking trashed when this piece of shit decided to kill itself. But my F30 is rear wheel drive now. Took the front axles out, did X delete, did the whole thing. But I could drift it. The issue is, if you know anything about the F30s, they have the electronic steering, so it makes it pretty difficult. I also don't have a manual, so yeah, it makes it a little weird. But I want to learn how to drift, and the only car that's like driftable is the E30, but that's Veronica's car, and that's not gonna fly. So eventually I might pick up an E36 or something like that when this stuff is profitable. Even if I'm making like $1 a video or something, I think that'll justify it. But you guys saw the parking situation is completely out of control. So, it's definitely like a rock and a hard place of like, I want another car. I can't really fit another car anywhere. But yeah, I want to learn how to drift. So I have a Assetto Corsa. I drive on a Assetto Corsa all the time. I've never attempted to drift on a Assetto Corsa. I have a shitty Logitech wheel with a super tiny steering wheel. I don't have a handbrake. I don't have an H shifter. This thing is clamped to my desk. I got this for free from one of my best friends. But yeah, I mean, if this does well and I enjoy it, I might pick up, you know, a nice little rig, put it over there next to the next to my desk, and yeah, actually get into it. So I like, hold on, let me switch over to Assetto Corsa real quick. So I'm gonna be driving the E92 Drift, and this Bug X Atron. I heard that this was a good map. I did like a quick Google of like, oh, good drift maps, whatever. This is like the first one to pop up. So I was like, oh, fuck it, I'll download it. As you can see, driven in car, 0. Driven on track, 0. So this will be fun. Yeah, but I have no idea what to expect. I have a good understanding of how to drift, but not super good. So whatever, we'll jump in and we'll see what's going on. Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to be like that. Is this thing gonna drive? Yeah, well, that's fucked up, but we'll see. I have no idea how to get to the track. Let me raise this bitch up real quick and then we'll try again. Mind you, I have no handbrake, so one of the buttons is my handbrake. So I know that the clutch is more important than, oh shit, that was way steeper. I think I have traction control on. Yeah, I guess I should have like went through and got my shit figured out first. We can just do decrease. Yeah, I did like no prep work. I literally was like, I'm just gonna go downstairs and start fucking recording. As you can tell. Oh my God. I really don't know how to drift. I know how to do a clutch kick just from like common sense, I guess. What the oh! Yeah, that'll make it hard to drift. Oh my God. All right, check me out, right? Restart session. Immediately. What the fuck? Bro, what is going on with this car? Steering angle of doom. Let's go, boys. All right, we're back, boys. So my E92 that had the fucked up wheels or whatever. I like went in to add more steering angle. And that's kind of why that one was all fucked up. But yeah, this shit sucks. Sorry, I suck. Let's be real here. Oh, thought I was gonna hit the tree, but joke's on me, it's not real. That wasn't too bad. I lost it at the last second though, but it might also be my wheel too, because I don't have like true force feedback. Not that that like matters, but I don't know. Let me get a little bit more practice and then we'll jump to the next part of this. I've recorded the intro for this day, which is the second half of the video, now 3 times. Well, this is the 3rd time, whatever. So I got like 4 or 5 days of practice, just like 30 or 40 minutes a day. I feel way better. Actually, like hitting some stuff. I can't drift. Don't get me wrong. I'm not good at drifting, but I can clear a corner. Sometimes I can hit 2, you know, no big deal. No, this is fucking incredible. I love it. Next week I'm going to be getting a R7 with, I thought I heard the baby. I'm going to be getting an R7 with a fucking full cockpit, e-brake, shifter, the whole thing. If that's something you guys want to watch me like put together and build or whatever, let me know. If you want to see more of these drift videos on this channel, let me know. If not, I will make another channel. I don't care. But I really enjoyed the process of doing this. Editing this video has been kind of fun. Yeah, but let me know what you guys think if you want to see more stuff. If not, cool. Yeah, no, this is fucking incredible. And I hope that I can actually get good at drifting because I'm having a lot of fun, even though I suck. So I feel like that's promising. But anyway, I'll see you guys. That was like a power slide, not a drift. Which I feel like is kind of what I've been doing through most of these, because when the car like corrects itself, it just snaps the other way. And I don't really know how to combat that. I watched like some videos of like how to learn how to drift or whatever, and it's like do a donut, but like maintaining the donut, like a wide one. For some reason, I've not given that a try yet. I've just been trying to understand how to catch the car, which isn't an issue, but it's like maintaining the direction. Because like I said, I keep dealing with like the snapback of it. Or I've oversteered, but even then with the oversteer, it just snaps way too quickly. So yeah, so I cut a lot of like the live commentary shit out of this because it's kind of ass. But here's some highlights. Let me know what I'm fucking up, what I'm doing good. Probably not doing anything good, but yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I appreciate it.